Tracking severe weather tonight across the two Virginias. Heavy showers and thunderstorms continue to push south and east across our area. We have seen some very nasty weather, especially earlier in Raleigh County. National Weather Service actually reporting several phone calls into the 911 center in the Shady Spring area that numerous trees and power lines are down. Even an outhouse was apparently destroyed. There was a search underway for potential injuries, and many viewers actually reported seeing a funnel cloud in the area. No tornado was reported, and if there was a tornado, that will actually be confirmed after the National Weather Service does a damage survey, which would likely take place tomorrow. Zooming in for you, Dupole Doppler radar showing a line of heavy thunderstorms from Lewisburg through Union, cutting across Pipestem area, still dealing with some heavy rain, back across the northern tip of Mercer County, southern Raleigh, and into Wyoming County. Right now, the strongest storm just north of Welch. And again, all of these storms are moving from west to east, but this whole line is pushing southward. So everyone here in Mercer and McDowell, down across Virginia and into southern portions of Monroe County need to monitor these storms very closely. They have had a history of some rotation, and that could cause a tornado to form. It's not a guarantee, but some of this very strong upper level rotation can lead to potential tornado development. Now, again, all the tornado watches have been dropped, but these storms are still strong and severe in spots, so attention needs to be paid. Now, as we put this on a loop the last 3 hours, you can see how this line has developed. It continues to push its way to the south and should be south of Wytheville sometime around 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning. And then things will finally start to quiet down. We're actually looking at some drier weather next couple of days. We're going to widen the view out even more. This is it, really, the last stand with this system. It's all sitting along a cold front. The front is pushing southward, so everything behind it is much calmer and quieter. So once you get this line of thunderstorms coming through, you're pretty much finished until we get toward the end of the week. Then we'll be talking about more wet weather. So again, cold front coming through the area right now. It's a vigorous upper level system as well. At the surface, high pressure starts coming in as soon as tomorrow morning. That will help to gradually dry things out. We are looking at some sunshine for Wednesday and the first half of Thursday, and then another front, very slow moving, parks itself over us as we go into the weekend, keeping that chance for rain around. Our futurecast showing this line of showers and storms, again, pulling to the south, pretty much wrapping up by about 2 a.m., 3 a.m. We start to partially see skies clear out. It's going to be a struggle to get rid of all of these clouds, so I want to give you a heads up. If you're going to go out to try to watch that lunar eclipse, you may have some clouds to deal with or even some fog, but hopefully we'll get a bit of a break. You might be able to see part of the show. Going into Thursday, some sun, but then increasing clouds. Showers start rolling in Thursday evening, but really start kicking in for Friday, and then periods of showers again as we go into the weekend. Now, as far as the current temperatures, most of us are sitting in the 50s to near 60. Temperatures have actually come up a little bit with this line, but they will start to cool off now that the line is pushing to the south. So we'll be in the low 50s for tomorrow morning. Stray shower possible for your drive, but overall Wednesday looking very nice with a mix of sun and clouds. We're actually fairly mild into the weekend, but damp, back to the 70s next week.
All right, Chad, thank you very much. And AJ's here now with a look ahead to sports.